What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I want to talk about something that not a lot of people talk about at all, actually. We talk a ton about burning tokens, burning overall supply, but we don't talk a lot about burning XRP because XRP is also burning their supply, yet we just don't think about it as a cryptocurrency that really focuses on that, so we don't talk about it. But in this video, I want to talk about it. So actually, to date, right now, over 11 million XRP have been burned, and we're going to get more details on that. But guys, just check this out. We're hanging out in the Smoky Mountains right now. Epic little spot where I'm on a big journey from Florida all the way back up to Ohio to see some family, so pretty crazy. But since the launch of XRP Ledger, guys, over 11 million tokens have been burned, XRP tokens. Compared to other assets, XRP Burn's getting really little attention, and opinion is kind of divided on this amongst the XRP community. So as we go through this, I want to get your thoughts and your ideas, your opinions down below. Don't be afraid to drop your thoughts, and don't be afraid to smash the like button and subscribe as well. Now, the XRP Burn Mechanism has a clear purpose. What are they trying to do? Well, they're trying to fight spam transactions and not specifically prop up the price of the asset. Now, to do this, the network charges a fee for each XRP transaction and subsequently burns the collected fees. The network is designed to reduce the amount of XRP burned as the value of the asset increases. So as the price of XRP actually stays low, we're actually seeing more XRP burned. Now, David Schwartz, CTO of Ripple, confirmed this in a tweet this month in response to a question about how long it would take to burn through the maximum XRP supply of 100 billion. Schwartz stated that he does not expect the XRP supply to ever be fully depleted because he, in fact, agrees that the price will eventually move up, especially after we get through this lawsuit. So kind of an interesting angle here, but yeah, to date, 11 million XRP have been burned. And as long as we stay kind of in this price point, we're probably going to see that number continue to increase until the price of XRP increases. And then that built-in burn mechanism won't have a drastic impact on reducing the overall supply as it comes to XRP. Appreciate you guys. Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you in the next video. Peace.